Night fishing. Jamaican shore fishing. That's how we do it, people. Live and direct. That's it. Lit. Oh, man. Local fisherman murder the bait though, Ricardo. I think we'll pick some bait, peoples. I get them ready for the next cast, because when you come in with a line, what you don't want to do, sit there trying to cast, peel up bait while the line's out of the water very long. So you're trying to kill that time that you're out of the water and the line's back in the water as quick as possible. Right now both lines are in the water and they're both dead right now because there's no bait on it. You know what I'm saying, peoples? I think I left my rag to clean my hands. So Ricardo have one over there. Why the Ricardo rag? Fish on. Fish on, peoples. I got this on line. This is Ricardo's line. Yes, peoples. Fish on. And he feels like a decent size fish on too. Yes, peoples. Ricardo's line did it. Yes, peoples. This is what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. We got this, people. This is what's up. Ricardo went to go get us a few burgers, peoples. His line was sitting here and just made that hit. Up. Mad move. Jamaican shore fishing at it, peoples. Look at this, peoples. Yes, man. Nice dinner size snapper. Out and bad. Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah. Yes, peoples. That's what it's all about. Drop this in a Ricardo cooler. Yes, I. Got that footage a while ago, people. That's what's up. Check these lines now. Like I say, bad snapper them I come through. Here comes Ricardo. I'm gonna have to pull a prank on him. Watch this, people. This is gonna be funny. Bossy. They're right there, jump over, look a while, you know. Big blood teeth snapper. Hang on, Panny, look a while. You know, took off, man. But he took off in your cooler still.
Which one is the big one?
In your cooler, in your blue cooler.
It's bigger than here?
Nah, son, no bigger than for me, but about pound, quarter pound, half pound, give or take. Pound and a half pound, give or take, but decent size. About 12 inches. So, looking at your cooler, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Sit down, I've got to set back the line there still.
Oh, yeah, you sure.
Yeah, water for wash on? Give me a look a bit now.